How to return item on Etsy. Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Now, if you recently made a purchase and you are unsatisfied or you want to return it for any reason, open up Etsy first. Once you open up Etsy, what you want to do is you want to head into your profile at the top right corner and then proceed to head into purchases. You'll be able to see your orders and purchases. Tap on it and you'll be able to return it. Now seller, it depends whether you'll be able to return it on the seller policy. Now if you are a seller and you want to set a return policy, you can access the settings. Go to shop manager, go to settings, go to policy settings, then create or edit policy, then click on returns and exchanges and select create policy. You can toggle whether you accept returns or exchanges, specify the time frame, example 14, 30, 60 or 90 days, then decide if buyers pay return shipping, which is standard if the item is not damaged. And also note that personalized items, custom orders and perishable are generally not eligible for returns. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.